This video explains how you can fine-tune your bid in Google Ads, where even when using Google's automated bidding system called Smart Bidding. Think of it this way. Google Ads is a system where you pay to show your ads when people search for things online. Bidding is like an auction where you decide how much you're willing to pay for your ad to appear. In the past, you would manually set these bids themselves, but now Google has Smart Bidding, which uses machine learning to automatically adjust your bids in real time to help you achieve goals like getting more sales or higher value conversions. However, you can still have some control using bid modifiers. These are like manual adjustments that you can make to your bids based on certain things, such as the type of device someone is using, like a phone, tablet, or computer. For example, you might want to bid more on less depending on whether someone is searching on their mobile phone. Where someone is located. You might want to bid more to show your ads to people in specific cities or regions. The day of the week or time of day. Sometimes using both smart bidding and bid modifiers together can be a very effective way to target your advertising. However, there's a catch. Google doesn't always allow bid modifiers with all types of smart bidding strategies and campaigns. Some give you more control than the others. For example, bidding like maximize clicks gives you more flexibility with bid modifiers in Google Ads. Here are some ways to work around the limitations of smart bidding if it doesn't allow bid modifiers. Choose the right smart bidding strategy that aligns with your goals. Use negative bid adjustments to completely exclude traffic from devices that aren't performing well. For example, you can reduce your bid by 100% for certain devices if they aren't leading to good results. Organize your campaigns differently by creating separate campaigns for different locations, devices, or audiences. This gives you more control over budgeting for each of these. Use exclusions to stop showing your ads to demographics or locations that aren't performing well. Use value-based bidding to tell Google which customers are most valuable to your business. By monitoring how your ads perform on different devices, you can adjust your bids to spend more on the well-performing devices and less on the poorly performing ones. Tools like AdPulse can help you monitor this. In summary, while smart bidding automates a lot of the bidding process, bid modifiers are still an important tool that can give you more control over who sees your ads and when. You need to understand how they work together and be aware of the limitations in Google Ads to use them effectively and improve your advertising results. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.